Okay, good morning everyone. Today I would like to deliver new news. Today I will give a presentation about the workers' demonstration in Indonesia on August 28, 2025. Okay, first let me explain what workers' demonstration is. A demonstration is when many people gather together to protest or show their opinion. In this case, the worker in Indonesia held a nation demonstration to fight for their rights, especially about salary, jobs, and labor laws. The demonstration on August 28, 2025 was called Hostum. Hostum is a short for Hapus Outsourcing Tolak Upah Murah. In English, that meant abusing, outsourcing, reject cheap wage. The name already shows the main message of the protest. Workers want to stop outsourcing and they want fair wage. This protest was very big. It happened not only in Jakarta, the capital city, but also in the more than 30 provinces Indonesia. In Jakarta was gathered in two important places, in front of the House of Presidents and also in front of President's Place. The protest started in the morning around 9 and 10 o'clock. The number of workers who joined the protest was very large in Jakarta alone. About 10,000 workers came from many areas around the city, such as Bekasi, Bogor, Depok, Karawang, and Tangerang. In other provinces, thousands of workers also joined in their own cities. So this was totally nation protest. Now, let's talk about their demands. The workers did not protest without reason. They had their marks. I will mention the most important ones. First, the workers want the end of housing. Housing means companies hire workers through a third party, usually with lower salary and less protection. Workers said it is unfair. They also want to reject cheap wage and ask for better salary. Third, the demonstration to stop mass layoff and to create a special tax force handle layoff. Fourth, the one tax reform for workers. For example, they asked the government to remove tax on salary pay, holiday bonus, and retirement savings. Fifth, they asked the government to make a new labor law, not using the omnibus law system which they believe is bad for works. Six, they also want the parliament pass a new bill about asset configuration to fight corruption. Finally, there one they received the election law for the 2029 election and to increase the minimum wage for 2026 by about 8 to 10%. Okay, so as we can see, the workers' demands were not only about wages, they also talk about law, corruption, tax, and the future in Indonesia. Because the protest was so big, the government also prepared security, more than 4,000 police and soldiers were deployed in Jakarta to keep the protest safe and peaceful. The police also prepared traffic control. If the road came too crowded, they were ready to redirect the traffic. Transportation companies also prepared. For example, the computer train company made a plan for a train schedules because many people might miss the train to join the protest. Now, let's talk about why the demonstration was important. For workers, this was made to show their voice. Many workers feel that the current system is not fair. They think salaries are too low, or think is a problem, and the law does not protect them enough. By protesting together, workers happen that the government will listen. For the government, the demonstration was a big challenge. They needed to balance economic growth, company interests, the workers' right. Demonstrations like this remind the everyone the policy should be fair for everyone, not only for companies. For ordinary citizens, the demonstration also had an impact. Traffic was slower in some part of Jakarta. Transportation was more crowded, but at the same time, many people support the workers because they also want fair wage and justice. In conclusion, the demonstration on August 28, 2025 was one of the biggest labor protests in Indonesia. Through thousands of workers in Jakarta and across the country unite under the theme of Alstom. No outsting, no cheap ways. They ask for better salaries, strong laws, protect from layoffs, fair tax, and action against corruption. Their democracy showed that workers have a strong voice in Indonesia. It also remind the government the worker the backbone of the nation. Without workers, factories, office, and included cannot run. That is why their demands should be taken seriously. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. Sorry if I have so many mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.